Check it out. This is the 2010 to 2013 Infiniti G37 Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system will add wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto right onto your original screen. It's fully touchscreen and it works with your factory knob as well. It preserves factory features including your original reverse camera, steering wheel controls, your climate control information panel, and more. We'll be using factory Bluetooth for audio with this device, and it's going to use your factory microphone for calls and phone quality. Long holding this back button for 3 seconds at any time switches between the factory system and the Hamilton UI. This device is backed by a 3-year limited warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. I'm going to now show you how to pair and set it up, and we also have a full installation video. I'm going to show you how to pair and set up wireless Android Auto. Long holding this back button will switch between the factory system and the Hamilton system. We'll come here to settings on the factory system. We're going to be using factory Bluetooth. Bluetooth, connect Bluetooth, and do yes. Now on your phone, open up settings, connected devices, pair a new device, and we're going to be looking for the factory Infiniti device. It should be called My Car or Hands Free. When it appears, touch it, and we'll enter that pairing code 1234. We'll click Allow Access to Contacts and click OK. And the phone has now been paired. Now let's long hold that back button. We'll go back to the Hamilton UI. We'll do Pair a New Device, and let's touch that Hamilton device when it appears. Make sure Allow Access to Contacts and Call History is turned on, and then we'll click OK. And give it about 30 seconds the first time, and just like that, wireless Android Auto will appear. We're now connected both to the factory Bluetooth and to Android Auto. Long holding the back button, we can make sure on the home screen that our source is set to Bluetooth audio. And this is wireless Android Auto. If you have any questions, check us out, HamiltonMotorCompany.com. Give us a call at 919-858-2890, or check out our help center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. I'll see you in the next video.